Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our lecturer, Encik Abdul Zaki bin Abdul Wahid. So today we would like to present about Burj Khalifah for our project. Next, this is our group member. First is Muhammad Fazli Hakimi. Next is Syaful Amirul, Farid Azri, me, myself, Nurjana binti Mazlan, Amalia Farzana, and Esther Kumar Michael. Next. So this is the background research. Burj Khalifa, the world tallest building known as the Burj Dubai Tower of Khalifa, formerly by Burj Dubai, built from 2004 to 2010, 6 years. Structure engineer is William F. Becker, main contractor Samsung CNT, developer MR Properties, types are skyscraper, elevator 57 with speed 10 meter per second, maximum height is 2,717 feet with 828 meters and 163 floors.
So for problem related, first one is challenge to make cooling system. The building needs about 10,000 tons of cooling, which generates a lot of condensation because Dubai has a hot, humid climate. The condensation is collected and drained into a holding tank in a special piping system and provide around 15 million gallons of supplementary water per year for the house. Next one is water distribution. Distribute water in every floor in this building became challenging due to its height. 249,909 gallons of water average regular water availability in the water system in Burj Khalifa via pipes of 62 miles. The fire response system supplies an additional 132 miles of piping and 21 miles provide chill water for the air conditioning system. It would be to have one giant water pump at the Burj Khalifa base hazardous because of the amount of pressure needed to force out the water. Last one is cleaning window. It was expected that it would take tall building cleaning teams of 36 people 3 full months to clean it when it was first completed. However, with window clean teams having to bring electrolyte packs and operate only in the shade, hardness to metal cage, the intense Arabian temperature, sandstorm and wind pose their own problem. Okay.
So I will proceed the presentation with future challenges. For window washing base, it takes 3 until 4 months to clean all 24,000 glass panels. The use a typical squish with soapy water is now used. So the window gets so hot on the hottest days, the water of squeegees evaporate instantly. The cleaning period is affected by environmental conditions. Next slide. The second challenges is condensation. It happens when high humidity can often reach as high as 98% during several months of the year. Condensation water can cause window and cladding discoloration and damage to electrical system and components of steel. It's sufficient warmth outdoor. Air is applied to the interior of the house. The possibility of forming precipitate condensation is also high. The air conditioning system is the main condensation water produced in the tower. The plant produces approximately 191,000 liters a day of. Next slide. For the third challenges, safety considerations with the construction hitting unimaginable height, so they can't foresee what will happen to this building. In the case of medical, emergency responders such as firefighter, paramedics, police need to be able to enter the building immediately. It is not possible to expect this person to climb all 162 floors by stairwells. The need for this goes back to the elevator system. The evacuation of occupants, given the height of the Burj Dubai, it poses a particular challenge. So the tenants will need details on the situation, mechanical assistance to speed up the operation and stairwells and safe zones.
Action.
Okay, I continue with a solution. First, for building maintenance unit, this is to gain complete facades access to the 162 floor structure. And then the mobile wall mounted machine were created. And then 3 wall mounted machine positioned at level 40, 73, and 109 in total. This device deploy from inside the internal parking space and travel together through a series of tubular stainless steel rails. Next slide is for the collection system. All condensation water gather by separate system and transfer back down to storage tank. The water is pumped into the irrigation tank for use in the Burj Khalifa park surrounding the site. Small low voltage anti-condensation heater protect the electrical system. And then next, for the solution of evacuation plan, the Burj Khalifa is fitted with emergency communication system and visual monitor. Fire emergency announce provide current information and instruction to the occupants about the incident. For firefighter, there is GPS cellular phone device to use. The Burj Khalifa is a total 29 lift elevator. 10 enhanced elevator are used in COVID building evacuation. Of these three, from the first floor, 111 floor, two firefighter elevator travel, and the other from level 112 and to 160. That's all from me. Thank you. Okay, for the solution, a cloud-based IoT. Okay, the software enables the facility managers of Burj Khalifa to use building knowledge analytic for predictive and prescriptive maintenance for the building. That's
As for the discussion, Burj Khalifa has faced the challenge of operation and maintenance with variety and creative solution. The first challenge is window washing bay condensation, and the solution is 4 cycle a year by 36 full-time employee. The second one is condensation problem, and the solution is condensate collection system. The third challenge is safety consideration, and the solution is mechanical assistance to speed up the operation and stairwell and safe zone. Fourth challenge is strength of concrete, and the solution is pouring the mix during the night using 3 pumps to deliver 5826 cubic feet, which is 165 cubic meter of concrete.
Action.
The fifth challenge is foundation, and the solution is pile foundation. Friction pile are ingenious. The idea is that the weight of the building is carry on the friction from the pile against the soil. Six, moving material. Higher crane with a self-jacking mechanism. The seventh challenge is nature, and the solution is a mass damper work by moving in the opposite direction of the building movement, dissipating the kinetic energy. The last challenge is glazing. For this, the solution is two coating, silver coating for the outside and titanium coating for the inside. The function of the silver coating is to capture the UV ray and reflect them out of the building, while the titanium capture the infrared ray, reducing the amount of heat entering the building.
Maintenance and operation both is important to the system to building is running smoothly. Okay, this great history for the construction team, building the skyscraper in the middle of the humid environment. Okay, next. Okay, FM involve all type of building element. Okay, lastly, facility management is important to apa tu? To Okay, lastly, facilities management is important to make sure that the company is on top share for an operation. That's all from us. Thank you.